You're pretty from your band. Walk out, girl, you're not try hard. Them girls that not pretty in a real life. You're pretty on the gram and you're pretty in a real life. Your body looks good, set right.
What'd you get, girl? A whole pile.
I'm gonna do one opening with this one. Let's see, the smallest one I'm gonna do with this. No, there was one that was kind of open, and then I'll do a separate video with opening the rest of the unknown packages that I don't remember.
Where's it coming from? Okay.
Yeah, so I have my packages here. I don't remember ordering some of them, so I have no idea what it is. So I got some cheap stuff that I purchased on eBay. So let's see what's in this one.
That's nice.
Didn't really wrap too nice because it was like this.
They could have broke up the sitting.
I know. I kind of have an idea after taking it out.
What is it?
Well, let me show you. Let me show you. Yeah.
Ooh, nice colors.
I know.
That's nice.
So there are some eyeshadow palettes.
That's
so
nice.
they call it nowadays, you know, palettes.
Oh really?
Yeah, eyeshadow. We don't call it eyeshadow. That's all. Oh my gosh. This guy, yeah. So there are some nice colors. Here, white, yellowish, bluish, pink, and some other.
How much did you get?
I don't even have.
Is there a mirror in there?
No, there's no mirror.
Oh, you guys could. Manufacturer could have put a mirror in so when I'm on the road.
Listen,
could, like,
there's not even a brand on there. Nothing. Not even say.
Is there a brush?
No.
Is there like a brush to put the makeup on?
No, I just have to use your own brush.
You have to use a finger. Finger brush.
I don't know, but I know
cute.
the number one is on there. So it's eyeshadow number one. That's the brand.
But it's cute. It'll fit into your purse nicely.
Yeah. That's nice.
It.
But I wish it had a mirror though.
Yeah, and
because
a brush.
If you don't, and a brush.
It gets underneath your fingers, and you're like,
nice. I know.
It's cute though.
Them expect you to carry an extra brush.
Protective case.
Yeah, to put over it.
Nice.
Yeah, that's nice.
I like.
Don't remember how much. I'll double check in my eBay and put it up here. How much I paid for that? Probably $1 something, maybe.
Oh, not bad. And 15 different colors, and they're like melanin friendly.
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm not a big fan of like bright colors like this pink one, right? I'm not a big fan.
It's cute.
But it's okay.
Okay.
Probably one day you choose to do something different. You know what I mean? But yes, that wraps up my awkward TMI talk with my friend here. Oh, did I even mention the name?
Oh, hi. My name is Nikki. Nix. Call me Nikki. Oh my god.
Listen, everybody's real.
Nikki.
Everybody's real.
Nix. Hi.
Right. So yes.
Cup.
So thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe and like and hit the notification bell so you know when we make some more of these videos. Cause she'll come back in on me. I tell her I drag her back here. You know what I mean? I thumbs up. Yes. So you will see more videos from us. I see more videos from me. You know what I mean? So yes, I'm out. Look a bit later. Peace.